All right, so today we want to feed the monkeys some fruits and see how they are managing to opening them up to peel the fruits. Ow! Just leave my nipples, please, bro. And okay, doesn't matter. Let's just start. All right, let's start off with a banana. So let's see how they are managing to open it up. Where are you going, bro? Did you enjoy that piece of banana? Okay, and here we got two figs. Look here, there's a second one. Yeah. Look here. This is what you want. Look here. Hey, yo, chill, bro. These figs, we got them out of our backyard. So here we got some melon. I'm gonna change to capuchin diet. Oh, you digging in properly, man. Bon appetit. A pear and a plum. Let's see what they like more. Oh, this is a next level plum. Oh my goodness. You can see it in his face expression. You deserve it all, bro. Dig in. It's all yours. All right, this was pretty fun to watch. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And here we go with the entire breakfast platter. Right? Yeah. Say bye-bye.